best robot pool cleaners. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing the bottom of your swimming area instead of actually enjoying the water? I know exactly how frustrating it is to deal with stubborn debris and cloudy conditions. Today, I am bringing you the ultimate guide to the best robot pool cleaners available right now. I have gathered the top contenders that will transform your maintenance routine and keep your water crystal clear. Let us dive right into these fantastic devices. Product number 1, Ybot C2 2026. Maintaining a spotless swimming environment is no small feat, but this first device truly changes the game for in-ground setups. I am incredibly impressed by the powerful dual scrubbing brushes and the massive suction capacity that reaches up to 3,792 gallons per hour. It effectively pulls up leaves, sand, and other fine particles from the floors, the walls, and even the waterline. The dual-layer filtration system, which combines a 180 micrometer filter with a 10 micrometer ultra-fine layer, ensures that nothing escapes its grasp. I also appreciate the intelligent navigation technology built right in, which optimizes the cleaning pads for maximum coverage. Product number 2, Pool Master. Moving on to my next top pick, I have a fantastic solution tailored for above-ground setups. This machine features a high-efficiency 40-watt motor that delivers remarkable suction power, easily picking up large leaves and stubborn dirt. I love the upgraded dual-layer filter, which uses a 180 micrometer mesh alongside a dense cotton sponge to capture fine mud and silt. A standout feature is the anti-return technology, which locks the debris securely inside the unit even when you are lifting it out of the water. You get a generous 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge, allowing it to cover spaces up to 1,614 square feet without any interruptions. Product number 3, Starrybot CD-DC2504. For those looking for a highly efficient and straightforward solution, this next contender is an absolute powerhouse. I am thrilled to showcase this cordless model, which utilizes an innovative dual motor design to provide exceptional suction and a wide cleaning angle. It effortlessly removes stubborn sand and debris from flat-bottom above-ground pools. You will enjoy up to 90 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge, which is more than enough to handle areas up to 900 square feet. I find the intelligent auto parking feature incredibly helpful, as the machine automatically heads to the edge and alerts you with a beep and flashing lights when it is finished or running low on power. The built-in 3-color LED indicators make it so easy to check the operational status at a glance. Product number 4, Letex Pool LY80 Pro. This fourth option is a premium choice that integrates advanced technology for an unparalleled cleaning experience. I am amazed by its ability to climb walls and scrub the waterline, making it a comprehensive tool for in-ground environments. It is powered by triple motors and dual rolling brushes, delivering incredibly stable and strong performance. The dual-layer filtration system traps everything from fine dirt to heavy sediment, ensuring your water remains brilliantly clear. I am especially fond of the fast charging capability, bringing it to full power in just 2.5 hours to provide an impressive 180 minutes of battery life. This allows it to easily handle large areas up to 1,615 square feet. Product number 5, Poolise X1. Wrapping up my list is a compact yet highly effective device designed for pure convenience. I really like the wider dual suction port design on this model, which allows it to effortlessly pull in larger leaves, sand, and aging plastic fragments. The dual motor system provides vigorous suction while significantly extending the overall lifespan of the machine. You can expect a solid 100 minutes of runtime after a quick 2.5-hour charge, efficiently covering spaces up to 960 square feet. I appreciate that it operates completely free of cables, eliminating any risk of entanglement and allowing for a truly hassle-free setup. Like my other favorites,
This unit features intelligent self-parking, automatically returning to the edge when the task is complete or the battery is depleted. That brings me to the end of this deep dive into the best robot pool cleaners. I hope this breakdown helps you choose the perfect device to keep your water pristine with minimal effort. Remember that investing in a high-quality automated assistant will give you back your weekends and let you focus on actually swimming. If you found this information helpful, I would greatly appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you in the next breakdown.